I'm on a bench. I'm stuck.
Why?
I'm about to turn 17.
17! 17!
That he misses his love, but she is so far away that he is sad. She's in New York! New York City!
Gross.
Hi, I'm having fun.
Oh God, oh God. How do I do this? Is it? How is it?
I'm here on the site of the abortion protest, and I have some opinions to make. I think these slimy, dirty Germans should get off our school property.
Some of you are my pals, some of you are my good pals. We're all pals though.
Hi, I'm Sherry and I'm a vegan, so I'm all about like really just eating like what's in the environment.
It's so creepy.
I know! Man, I missed it. I missed that face on your face.
On the beaches?
I am the vape god, and I always will be.
I concur.
Vape Nation. For life.
Well.
Look at him go. He didn't play. Oh, he caught a frisbee.
Hi, my name is Michael and my character is Sam.
Grace, how has your high school experience been so far?
12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Alright, 3, 2, 1. I saw a movie like that once. Put your phone on the ground so I can do that for you. No.